I was at a party and I saw a lady across the room with the most amazing cheekbones. I asked her in the bathroom who did them, and she says, "Darling, it's just contour." It's like, no, it's not. And so she told me it was Dr. Mabrie. Having the dark circles under my eyes, it always made me feel tired. It always made me feel like I was aging.
She initially came to me to treat the dark circles under her eyes, but then over the years, we've added other areas to enhance her face, like her cheekbones, her nose, and lips. But one of my favorite things we've done is to take some Botox to get rid of the dimpling on her chin and to slim her face.
My relationship with my injector is 100% trust. Dr. Mabrie does all my fillers. I never come in here and ask for anything. He looks at my face, he decides what he's going to do, and then I leave. And it's fantastic.
And now we'll see each other every 9 to 12 months for a short maintenance visit.
I saw a hairstylist that I worked with on a campaign, and her response to me was, "Girl, I saw your video on Instagram and I ran to Dr. Mabrie." I don't know if that was a compliment to him or an insult to me, but apparently people have noticed his work and they were happy with it.